Even from the outside, you can see that Weaver Lake Elementary isn't like most schools. The school's scenic environment, adjacent to a nature center with a lake and complete with 2 outdoor classrooms, makes it unique among the schools of the Osseo district. But to really understand what's different about Weaver Lake, you need to go inside. There, you're likely to see students building and testing rockets, designing a robot, or charting the life cycle of a butterfly. They put on white lab coats and peer through microscopes. They use wireless laptop computers to compile and analyze data. And they apply engineering principles and robotics programming using Legos. What's happening at Weaver Lake is the result of a great idea. Weaver Lake Elementary is a science, math, and technology magnet school. The idea at Weaver Lake is to encourage students to inquire, discover, explore, and achieve. The focus on science, math, technology, and engineering started in the fall of 2004 when the district's first magnet schools were launched. Osseo is part of a consortium called the Northwest Suburban Integration School District. The NWSISD works to promote voluntary integration and multicultural educational programs. One of the ways to do that is through magnet schools. There are different kinds of magnet schools in our district, but they all have 2 very important things in common. Magnet schools attract students with similar interests across racial and socioeconomic lines, so they're naturally diverse. And magnet schools encourage student achievement. Students who choose to attend a certain school are more likely to stay engaged in learning and to succeed in all areas. The curriculum at Weaver Lake meets all district and state standards while emphasizing science, math, and technology. In fact, Weaver Lake goes beyond what is mandated in those areas. Our value-added curriculum is based on national science, math, and technology standards as outlined by the National Education Technology Standards and organizations such as the National Science Teachers Association and the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics. Science, math, and technology are integrated into all classes, and the way it's done is a natural fit. For instance, a physical education class may have students use a computer graph to chart their progress. The school's media center has an extensive collection of nonfiction books, and digital cameras are routinely used in classroom projects, no matter what the subject. Weaver Lake's holistic approach to the curriculum focuses on inquiry-based learning. You may have heard the expression, "Tell me and I forget." "Show me and I remember." "Involve me and I understand." That's exactly what inquiry-based learning is all about. It's a hands-on approach that has students asking questions and actively involved in the learning process. The success of inquiry-based learning lies with a well-trained and enthusiastic staff. The staff at Weaver Lake participates in a wide variety of development courses and seminars. They learn how to help students ask the right questions and how to help them organize and analyze the answers. Teachers at Weaver Lake evaluate the curriculum on an ongoing basis so that it can be continually updated and improved. Inquiry-based learning has helped many students blossom, awakening their confidence, interest, and self-esteem. And inquiry-based learning fosters interaction and investigation. It is particularly well-suited to collaboration and team projects. At Weaver Lake, the projects undertaken in the lab, in the classroom, in the nature center, and beyond provide an innovative and deeply engaging framework for an excellent education. That education goes beyond the boundaries of the school, the state, and even the country. Students at Weaver Lake have developed and presented programs to students throughout the world using video conferencing. Every student at Weaver Lake knows how to use a wireless computer. They are adept at using scientific tools not commonly seen in most elementary schools. And every student records observations and data in a science notebook. There are students doing algebra, using an approach that not only helps them understand the subject, but also retain what they've learned. In today's world, science, math, and technology hold the key to the future. Students need a solid base of knowledge, just as they always have. But they also need to know how to get and make sense of all available data to reach the best solution. At Weaver Lake Elementary, a science, math, and technology school, that's the whole idea.